12 games, round robin. Starting off the day against Eddie D. EJ Taggett. Game update. I'm 1.5 and 1.5. I hope I don't say that very often for the rest of my life, but yep, 1.5, 1.5. Now we bowl Marshall. I just pulled 279. Helpful score. Huh? What? Distraction. We're rolling okay. We are now 4.5 and 1.5, I think. That equals 6, right? I'm all pretty good. We're doing all right. I did make a bad shot in the 10 frame one game, open for 230. Could have shot 260. Other than that, we're catching fire. So we got to keep going. Much better decisions today. Lanes are playing a little bit different, a little flatter. I think that's working out in our favor though, because we hooked the lane a little more. Less cliff. So let's keep going. we are, I don't even know, what are we, 5.5 and 2.5? I stoned 2 8-pins the last game, and I lost by 5. Pulled a pretty good game. Yeah, it's all good, it happens. We got 4 games left. Just gotta keep making good shots and making good decisions. I think we're making a ball change now. I'm gonna go to that hustle wine. Just getting out of the idle. So, yeah, same deal. Just good shots. Guys, we're okay. I'm not gonna make this sound all depressing and sad and bad. Finished 5th, about 150 in the position round. I thought I had something, and then I made a bad one, and then I made another bad one, and they both didn't hook. And then the third one, I was just trying to stay firmer. That one didn't hook, and I thought it was, so I just ran into some issues ball reaction wise, and I was working way too hard to try to make something that didn't want to work because out of the 9 balls I brought, that was the closest thing I had. I really missed the high road curl. I hope I can get one soon. I've been trying to get one for a few months now, and it's just not lining up. So I'm gonna do all the things I need to do. I'm gonna do everything in my power to try to get one when I get home, because it's a staple in my bag. It's the nut. I need it. Like, it's not even an option. I needed it so bad this weekend. But we finished 5th. We capped off the Northwest, I think, in the lead for points, unless Nick Bulgaro, the winner of today, went around me, but I don't think he did. So we'll see. I don't know. We might have Player of the Year implications in the Northwest. I don't know. We'll see. You know, we live and learn. I felt like I bowled much better than last weekend, even though I finished lower. The field was much stronger here. We had EJ, Danielle, AJ, Marshall, just a lot of really good players, especially in this field. So congrats to Nick. You bowled great. And we'll see you, I think I'm bowling something back home next weekend. So if you're in the Bay, come check it out. I think it's a classic bowl. I'm planning on being there. So see you at home.